Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use YouTube collaboration feature. I will show you the method on both. First, I'll show it on the mobile, then I will show it on the PC. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application on your PC. Then once you go and open the YouTube, you want to go and click on the YouTube studio, then go and click on content, then go and click on any one of these videos, click on details, then scroll down to the bottom till you find your collaboration, then click on invite a collaborator. Then you want to type here the name of the collaborator or whatever YouTuber that you want to collaborate with. Let's say this one here, for example. I'm going to click on create link. Then you'll have to copy this link right here and paste it to the collaborator and send it to him, and he will accept it. And after you click on share button, you just have to click on copy. Then don't forget to click on save. And of course, the person should accept your invite. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application on your phone. Then once you open it here, you can simply click on these three dots on the right side right here. Then you want to go and click on edit. And after that, you want to go and click on invite a collaborator. And now you want to search for the name that you want to give him the invite. Let's say this one here, for example. So now I have it chosen it. Simply click on create link. And now you want to copy this link. Then you want to go and send it to the person that you want to send him the invite code. And now I have chosen the browser in order to open the invite link. And now we can click on it. And here you can see you have this accept button. Just click on it and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.